Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to formulate natural toilet bowl cleaner. We are going to utilize two simple materials, natural materials as main ingredients. These materials are available in more or less all the professional stores or supermarkets. Generally, while we are formulating the cleaning products, we are using heavy chemicals, especially in case of toilet bowl cleaners. Blue Harpic is nothing but acid. Directly we are using acid. In case of white Harpic, the one of the ingredients is sodium hypochlorite. This is not a safe material during the storage or during the usage. So this particular formulation is a better and a safer alternative for toilet bowl cleaners. Of course, in this formulation, there are some plus points and minus points. After the making video, we will discuss. And also we will discuss its cleaning performance. Let us get into the making video. We are going to prepare two different solutions. One is baking soda, another one is citric acid. Baking soda is available in all the supermarkets. Citric acid is not available, but instead of citric acid, we can use vinegar. Vinegar is available in all the supermarkets. So, by using these two simple materials, now we are going to prepare natural toilet bowl cleaner. These are all the main ingredients. Let us start the process. Now I am going to prepare 5% solution. This is 25 grams of baking soda. I am charging. Then this is 25 grams of citric acid. Even we can take 30 grams or 35 grams, 40 grams also. No problem in case of citric acid. And now I am going to add little by little water. Of course it is 500 ml. Now the process is over. In this formulation, if you want to add perfume, color and preservative, we can add it. It is optional only, not compulsory. Now I am going to add perfume. We can directly add perfume, nothing wrong, but perfume will float as a layer, will form a ring over the surface of the top. But it is no problem, just shaking we can use it. But if we want to make emulsion, we can use Alphax 200. It will give some homogeneous mixer. Now I am taking 6 ml of Alphax 200 and mixing 2 ml of perfume. I mean 3:1 ratio. And then I am charging this mixer to the baking soda solution. Then I am charging 1 or 2 ml of blue color solution, because blue color solution will improve the appearance of the white color toilet bowl. Generally toilet bowls are in white color. Preservative is optional. If we want to store it for a long time, we can add preservative, either potassium sorbate or phenoxyethanol. Any one will do. Again, I am going to add 500 ml of water little by little. So, I have dissolved completely. Let us wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours, both the solutions should be clear and transparent. But in case of baking soda, I have used commercial grade. So there is possibility for little turbidity, but anyhow it will not affect the cleaning performance of the toilet bowl. Even the little turbidity, I mean the little undissolved baking soda will give some upgrading action. This is after 24 hours. Baking soda solution is not transparent, little turbid. but no problem because I have used commercial grade baking soda. In case of first quality baking soda or industrial grade baking soda, we will get clear transparent solution. Now let us fill into the spray bottle. Now we will discuss how these two materials, I mean baking soda and citric acid, will act as a toilet bowl cleaner, what is the mechanism, and also what is the cleaning method. First of all, we all know very well baking soda is well known cleaning material and also a deodorizer. And then it is alkaline material, so it will neutralize the acidic matter and also will remove the acidic stains over the surface of the toilet bowl. And another thing, baking soda is a builder. Here the role of builder is, let us try to understand. In case of toilet bowl, the deposition of yellow color stain is a common problem. This is due to the salts present in the flush water due to mineral deposits. In case of acid based toilet cleaners, that acid will dissolve this type of mineral depositions. In case of baking soda, it will prevent the deposition. Just it is builder, it will chelate the minerals, chelate the salts. And the most important point is it is safe material. Even it is not chemical, it is what we are generally using in our kitchen. And also we are using one more material, that is alphax 200. This is one of the common ingredients being found in more or less all the branded toilet bowl cleaners. It is a non-ionic surfactant, so it will enhance the cleaning performance of the solution. In case of citric acid, it is a disinfectant. It has the antimicrobial properties, and then it is stain remover, and also it will remove the alkaline organic matter over the surface of the toilet bowl. Cleaning process or cleaning method is two-step process. The first step is we need to apply baking soda solution over the surface of the toilet bowl. We need to wait for few minutes. The second step is over the surface. Now we need to spray the citric acid solution. Now a fizzing reaction will take place. It is very mild. In case of white toilet bowls, even we cannot visualize this, but it is there. This fizzing reaction will improve the efficiency of the cleaning process. Finally, flush with water. If necessary, we can repeat the same process one more time. Apart from the individual cleaning property of baking soda and citric acid, combination of these processes will give superior finishing. I mean, we are using one acid, one alkaline material, so it will remove both the acidic organic stuff and alkaline organic stuff. Okay friends, let us discuss the plus points and minus points of this particular formulation. First, let us start with plus points. First of all, we are using simple materials and natural materials. Secondly, this is eco-friendly method, eco-friendly materials. We are not polluting our home or our environment. There is no soil pollution, no air pollution, but it is possible in case of chemicals based toilet bowl cleaners. And then this is a very simple method, making process is very simple. This is economy. We can include perfume if necessary, if we prefer. And one more thing, safety. This materials, this method is completely safe during the storage, during the usage, after the usage, in everywhere, especially for children's. On the other hand, there are some minus points. This is a two-step cleaning process. Generally, people will not like two-step cleaning process for toilet bowl cleaning purpose. This is fast-running world, shortage of time. Secondly, it is okay for home-based usage. We can prepare it as a do-it-yourself formulation. We can use it, nothing wrong, but not okay, not suitable for commercial purpose. And it is not suitable for some people, those who have used commercial or branded toilet bowl cleaners, because they may not satisfied with this performance. Regarding the cleaning performance, we'll discuss with blue harpic and white harpic. In case of blue harpic, its performance is more or less equal to or better than blue harpic. Personally and practically, I have verified, but this is my personal opinion. Apart from my personal opinion, we'll discuss theoretically. In case of blue harpic, what is available? Hydrochloric acid 10%, that is the active material, active ingredient. Here in our formulation, 5% baking soda, that is one active material, and 5 to 7% vinegar or citric acid, this is another active material. So technically, theoretically, here 10% active material, here more than 10% active material. So you can compare the cleaning performance also. And one more thing, in case of Harpic, that is acid, hydrochloric acid, that is very effective in killing the germs. We are using mild acid like citric acid or vinegar, but it is okay for home based usage, daily usage. It is okay. Or alternatively, you can use one day Harpic, one day natural toilet bowl cleaner. Regarding the white Harpic, no doubt the cleaning performance of white Harpic is superior, because they are using some cleaning materials and also they are using some powerful disinfectant come bleaching agent, sodium hypochlorite. So, apart from the cleaning process, apart from the disinfection process, that will make the toilet bowls something like appealing whitening look, because bleaching agent, sodium hypochlorite is bleaching agent. But the point is, no doubt cleaning performance is good, toilet bowl becomes white color, accept it. But is it safe? Safe to store, safe to usage after the usage? That is the question. Especially, it is not safe for in the homes where children are available.